Ever since I posted that aloe powder recipe, everybody wants to know, Ife, how do you use the aloe powder? I have the aloe powder that I made here, and one of the ways that you can use it, you can add a teaspoon. Let's say you have your conditioning mask. So this is a hibiscus mask that I made, aloe powder, and add it to your mix. Add your Ayurvedic herbs or powders to your mix. You can do the same with the aloe powder. So instead of having to go through like I would usually, I would have to peel the aloe vera, I would have to take out the gel, then blend it, then strain it. You can just add it to your mixes like so. As long as the powder is ground very finely, you can add it to your mix, and there you go. You can use it as you would any of the Ayurveda masks or hair packs. Okay, so that's one way you can use the aloe vera powder. Another way you can use this aloe vera powder, you can add a teaspoon as well to your henna mix. So if you have your henna mix and you're making it, you can just grab a teaspoon of this aloe powder and add it to your henna mix as well to add some extra nutrients as well. Okay, so another great way you can use this aloe vera powder, you can just grab a teaspoon of this powder, add it to your favorite spritz bottle. I will leave measurements below in the description box, of course. Then you can add your favorite oils. So here I'm adding some castor oil, and then I'm going to add some grapeseed oil, and then I'm going to shake it up. Alright, so I have my spritz here that I made with the aloe vera powder. My hair looks dry, right? Because it's dry! I've got my oils in here, I've got my aloe vera powder. And you could just use this spritz whenever you feel as though your hair is not moisturized. You can use this spritz. Of course, remember to shake your bottle. Spritz. And if you want, you can seal with your shea butter. You can seal with more oils. It actually feels really nice. Yeah, you can add some more moisture to your hair this way. It's a great, easy, quick way to get aloe vera into your hair without having to deal with the actual gel making it. Leave it in your hair, or you can rinse it out. Either one, your preference. I would leave it in my hair. If you're gonna rinse it out, leave it in for about 30 minutes to an hour or so, and then rinse it out. I would actually use this as a leave-in spray because aloe tends to help with healing, reducing dryness, and especially when you pair it with oils or even your essential oils, which you can add as well to the spritz bottle. It can help with replenishing any moisture that you've lost during the week, and then you can also help with repairing and reducing dryness, shedding, split ends, and the such. Yeah. All right, the other thing that you can do as well, you can keep this mix for about a week in the fridge until you have to toss it, because remember, it's a vegetable. It's a vegetable. Aloe. Aloe degrades over time, so you wouldn't be able to keep it very long, and it's in a powder form. You're all good. Another great way you can use the Aloe Spritz on your face. So I would use a light spritz on my face like so. You could use it with the oils or not, it's up to you. And then you can gently massage this mixture into your face to repair any sun damage. You would have a nice cooling effect on your face to protect your face from dryness. Well, aloe vera has healing properties too. It needs help with replenishing that moisture. Oh, this feels nice. This actually feels really, ooh. This feels nice. Oh, woke me up. I actually feel refreshed. You could either leave it on your face, or after about 30 minutes or so, you could rinse it out. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so smooth. Jeez. I would also use this spritz after I've spent a long day at the beach. If you have burnt skin on your arms, your back, your chest, your face, where on your legs, wherever you might have sunburned skin, I would also spray those areas to help with repairing my skin quickly, soothing burnt skin, and repairing any damaged skin. But I want to know from you, how would you use the aloe vera powder in your regimen? What would you do? What would you use it for? Please let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear all that you all suggest, and I can't wait to learn from you what you do with aloe vera powder as well. Another great use for the aloe vera powder, you can use it for your face mask. So I'm going to make a nice little face mask here for you now. Guess what it's going to have? It's going to have some aloe vera, of course, some aloe vera powder. We're going to use some aloe vera powder, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of water, and I'm going to make a quick little mix. A little bit of water and powder, and of course you can add a little bit of oil as well. I'm going to add a little bit of grapeseed oil, and because it's great for your skin and all skin types. Just need a little bit more water just to make a fine paste with the aloe vera powder and water. I think I need a little bit more water. It smells divine. It smells green. It's just getting a little gummy here. Add a little bit more water because it's a little too gummy for my liking. Whatever consistency you prefer, you can do it to your liking. If you want it a little thicker, if you want it a little thinner, you can add a little bit less water, a little bit more water. Right, and I feel as though the more water I add, the more this yields. Doesn't this seem to be getting really, really thick? Like it feels like it's multiplying. The more that I mix it up here. I really didn't add that much powder, that's for sure. And I think this is the consistency I would like it at. I'm going to use the back of the spoon and apply this to my face. Yeah, or you could use your fingers, of course. Feel free to do your thing. So now let me show you how I'm going to apply this to my face. And then I would leave it on for maybe 30 minutes or until it dries. And then I will rinse it off. Here I am with the... Ooh, this is cold, y'all. This is cold. I should have used warm water. So I'm just going to rub this on my skin. Guess if you have inflamed skin, this will be really good for you too. If you are allergic to aloe, this is probably not gonna be a good idea. Okay. Okay, that's my jam. Hopefully this dries before the sun goes down because it's going quickly. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, that's it. Bye. The possibilities are endless, and because you don't have to deal with the messiness of aloe and the gel and peeling it, the only time you deal with it is when you're cutting it up to make the powder. So I look forward to reading all that you all suggest, and see you all in the next one. Ciao.